I have had a picture, a poster of this car on my bedroom wall when I was a young boy, all the way through my teens. I woke up to this car every morning.
And look, this isn't ugly. It's just never really appealed to me because
out there. It's like a spaceship.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's why it never gelled with me. This is an important and exciting car to me for one really big reason. It's that of all of that prototype culture that came out of the 70s, all of those really, really great running prototypes,
Awesome
drivable prototypes
that you could drive into the motor show.
Correct. This was probably the one that got closest to production. This was the prototype that actually turned into a production car. Today is going to be the date that you either realised it was all the right idea or it was all the wrong idea.
I think we should
rip
it off like a Band-Aid.
I think we should try.
I've got to get
I think
in
you've
it.
got to get in it. You've got to do it.
See what it's like.